thank you for joining us. You can also share this video. Make sure you tag your friends, you send in your comments, and also you like us so that you know you the manner. Yeah, no. Let's start off with our quick gist. What's on the gist table today? Well, today we are starting off with Ovi. I don't know if we all remember Ovi, but her pictures are on your screen. So if you see her pictures, you remember who Ovi is. Now she was part of MTN Hitmaker, and after the competition or the show ended, she got signed on to Stonebwoy's music record label, that is Benetton Music. But then later on, she left the label. Now she is saying that she's not under any label, but her team is helping her with dope features. Now multi-talented reggae artist Barbara Na Okaile Nyako, known on stage as Ovi, says she has been on her own since quitting Benetton Music Group. Though she did not state explicitly why she left the record label, she hinted, "Many things came my way which forced me to take a break to get things done." Now the 2018 MTN Hitmaker noted that while she was by herself throughout the period, striving to succeed as a musician with the team she was working with, there were a couple of colleagues in the industry who gave her massive support. She mentioned Kelvin Boy and Black City among those who got her back during the period of her struggle. Now, being motivated to hit the strides in the midst of the struggle, Ovi told the host of Yejuma near show, that is DJ Ohimawe Jet, that she felt the need to do something for herself and not depend solely on her aides. Their support was massive up until I decided to be on my own. They did enough for me, so it was time for me to do something for myself. It is not like I'm showing off. I just felt like I had to do something for me, she said in the interview. Now, having produced about 5 songs with videos which she indicated are on her own channel, Ovi is optimistic of releasing her visions, and also she stated that her team is helping her do dope features which are boosting her efforts to get to where she envisions herself to be. Into no one some Aranyan Elho